Hello, today I'm going to show you how to change your lower rack GE dishwasher wheels. Okay, so you've got it out, now I'm going to show you how to replace it. This is what it looks like out. This is what your new one's going to look like, okay? So basically what you want to do is pop this, and now if you look here, you've got little clips in here that you need to raise those so it'll slide out. Pop it out, it comes out. I'm going to lift up on both of those, and I'm going to push. And it pushes right out. Pop that out, just like that. Lift this up, and it pops right out. Make sure you put it in the right spot. It slides right back in, just like that. Take your clip, pop it in, voila, you're done. Now we're gonna show you how to remove this kind. And it will pop up, and it will loosen. Okay, you're gonna hear a clip, and then you're gonna basically just pop it off just like that. Now these will come off. You can take them on, you can leave them off, makes no difference. But then you're going to pull it, and you've got the whole piece. Now, make sure that you can buy it. You may be able to buy these individually, but I would recommend doing the whole thing together, okay? And to put it back on, line it back up, pop it back in, make sure you're lined up across. And voila, it's back on. Don't forget to subscribe and like this YouTube channel. You folks come back for some more wonderful information, and have a wonderful day.